Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of new arrivals for the month of October. I spotted so many amazing products that I know you're going to love, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So look at what I just found at Costco. This one right here is by Nordic Ware, and it's their Simply Sourdough Starter Kit for homemade bread. This one's going for $69.99 right now. It comes with a baking pan of 11.6-inch diameter. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it even comes with some instructions as to how you can use everything that's included in the kit to make your own sourdough bread at home. This would also make a great family activity, by the way. But I will say, from what I've seen, sourdough, if you're trying to enter like your sourdough era, it takes a lot of dedication. I always love seeing the videos. It really is very relaxing. So it comes with a baking pan, it comes with a quick start guide and recipes. You have a Danish whisk, the bench scraper, a starter jar too, and it also comes with the silicone mat, which is awesome. Check out this other new arrival. This one's by Oxo Softworks and it's their countertop food dispenser. What would you guys place in here? Let me know. It's going for $26.99. For a second, I thought it would be good for dog food too. But now that I think about it, the dogs would probably knock this thing over when they're trying to get extra food, right? This one has a large capacity canister. It has spring-loaded non-slip levers and then also a chute designed opening. So that way it won't crush your food, especially things like cereal. So it would be good for trail mix, pretzels, it says here pet food too, and candy. I'm even thinking like oatmeal would probably be good in here, but this one's going again for $26.99 and this is how it works. So you just press it and then it dispenses whatever's inside. Costco brought back the adorable Yankee candle set, and this one's really cute because it comes with tiny little candles. It comes with 6 in total right now, and they're around 4.3 ounces each, so just keep that in mind. These are going for $19.99 right now. It comes with 6 different scents, so let me show you guys here the different scents. So you have balsam and cedar, white spruce and grapefruit, sparkling cinnamon, sage and citrus, Christmas cookie, that's new, and red apple wreath. I remember the red apple one. That one smelled really good. So yeah, this would make also a great gift. Tramontina brought back their famous Dutch ovens that come as a 2-pack, and both of them are of a different size. One of them is a 4-quart, the other one is 6 quarts. This one's going for $69.99, but if you guys noticed also, they brought them back in green, which is so pretty. It's such a popular color too. So at this Costco, I spotted both green and cream, and both of them have the solid stainless steel knob, but with the gold detail. I know some colors in the past have had them in silver. So yeah, this is a cute little added touch here. But yeah, look at how gorgeous these are. Again, you get 2 of them for $69.99. I'm happy to see that Costco brought back their famous Chefman family-size glass top warming tray, which is so perfect for the holidays, especially, like Thanksgiving or, birthday parties too. $49.99 would be the current price. It's a 21 by 16-inch surface, so it's big enough to fit the main course and also a couple of the side dishes you may have. Comes with cool touch handles too, which is a nice little added feature there. It has a hot indicator light. And it also has the temperature control, of course. So let me know if anyone's purchased this one in the past. I remember it goes on sale once in a while. So of course I'll be keeping an eye out for that. Check out these new scalloped candles. We've seen Sand and Fog before at Costco, actually several times. But yeah, this is a new design by them. It's a 57-ounce candle. It comes in 3 different scents, $29.99 right now. It has the soy wax blend, and this is what it looks like. So you can see it has 3 wicks there, and this scent right here, it's the Ocean Mist one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and it smells amazing, by the way. I always love like the ocean or beachy scent candles. That's typically what I go for. I always love finding the heat dish on display at Costco because anytime it's super cold outside, I always make sure to stand right in front of it so that way you can get warm in just seconds. This one's going for $87.99 right now. I did notice it did go up in price compared to last year, so just wanted to point that out. It does come with the tilt feature, so you can place it or you can position it, right where you want it, high, low. It also comes with the built-in cord wrap, which of course is convenient. It comes with a signal light. And it's top-mounted thermostatic control with a power reset button. So yeah, this one goes on sale once in a while, so I'll be keeping an eye out for this one too. And look at how cute these little candles are. Of course, these are by Yankee Candle. They have 5 different scents, by the way. These come as a 5 pack. $9.99 right now. You can use them anywhere, either in your car, your lockers. I'm even thinking like a small little closet too. They have balsam and cedar, sparkling cinnamon, Christmas cookie, Macintosh, and then they also have the spiced pumpkin air freshener. So yeah, these are extremely small, smaller than the little candles I showed you guys earlier, but they're super adorable. Now, I don't remember if we've seen this brand before at Costco. I believe it's pronounced Dreo. It's a whole room PTC heater and air circulator. This is going for $69.99. It does come with 3 heat settings, and not only that, it comes also with 3 fan speeds and eco mode. So it pretty much blows hot air wherever you want it to. It moves vertically and horizontally. It does come with a tip over protection, the overheat protection. It has a safety plug and a child lock. I wonder if it comes, yeah, see, it also comes with the remote control and batteries are also included. Check out this lighted makeup case. I've been wanting to see the inside of it, but unfortunately, I haven't found it on display at any Costco that I've been to so far. This one right now is going for $18.99. It does come with the LED mirror, which you do have to charge, and it comes with the little USB cable already included. You have 3 different light modes: cool, neutral, and warm. So perfect for someone that loves to travel, especially if you're someone that loves to wear makeup, skincare. This would be perfect. I also noticed you can customize the inside. It comes with the adjustable storage divider, and you can also remove the LED mirror if you wish to. Now, I have seen the inside to this 12 Days of Christmas Bonnie Maman 12 mini jars and gift boxes, and it's so cute actually. You can even put them inside of the stockings for Christmas. These are going for $15.99. You get 12 different flavors. So they have apricot preserves, cherry, fig, hazelnut chocolate spread. That sounds good. They have honey, orange marmalade sounds delicious too, raspberry, strawberry. I'm all for the berries. Wild blueberry preserves. I feel like they need a guava one in here. That would just really speak to me. But yeah, this stuff is good. You get 12 of them again, and they come in cute little mini boxes. Oh, these cookies are so addicting. But yes, these are back. It's the butter pecan meltaways. They literally melt in your mouth. These are going for $11.99. I remember these go on sale eventually, so I would definitely recommend waiting just a little bit. But yeah, this is a whole container of 32 ounces, and I know several of us probably reuse the container, which is awesome, right? It's a good thing. One cookie is around 80 calories. It has around 2 grams of sugar. Now, here is something that if you are a Disney fan, you are going to love these Disney Varsity jackets that are selling out super fast, by the way, at Costco. They're going for $79.99 right now. These are for adults. They are unisex as well, and they are available in 2 colors. So, some locations I noticed only have black left or only have red left. I'm noticing mostly the red is selling out for the most part. So, this is what it looks like. And you can see all the different logos that are on here. It has Donald Duck, Mickey and Friends. I love this one. It says keep calm and stay goofy. That's so cute. The other one says hello folks. But yeah, these are perfect for anyone who is a true Disney fan. They also carry it in red. And yeah, they're both really nice. Check out this new faux fur throw by the Ultimate. It's 60 by 70 inches. And right now at Costco, it's going for $14.99. These are machine washable, by the way. And they did bring out so many different styles for this one. So I showed you guys earlier the one in cream with gray. They also have this one right here with some flowers on there. It's more like navy blue. They have a light gray one, and then they also have it in green. Now, when it comes to shoes, I did come across these casual shoes for men. These are by Land's End, and we don't really find shoes from them very often at Costco, so this is a nice find. $28.99 right now. They did carry sizes 8 through 13. And so let me show you guys here what these look like. They also carried half sizes, by the way. So they have them in brown. You can see these would go great with jeans, black pants, and then they also have them in black. I also came across this new sneaker for ladies. It's by the Puma brand. And this one right here also runs in whole and half sizes. I spotted them going for $34.99. They carried sizes 6 through 10. It's the women's Skyrocket sneaker. And I'm pretty sure these will also be on sale eventually. This is what they look like. So these are full on black with a little bit of white on them. And then they also have them in white with the prettiest shade of blue. I really like these. And look at the Puma logo. It's also in a very light pink.